प्रॉमिसिंग लगती है। हमेशा जब फिल्म शुरू होती है तो एक टाइटल आता है कि ये फिल्म के किरदार किसी पर आधारित नहीं है, और इसका टाइटल ही इन्होंने ऐसा बनाया कि विच डायरेक्टली सेज कि ये फिल्म एक ऐसे इंसिडेंट पे आधारित है जिससे सब ने देखा है और सब ने इंतज़ार किया है उसे इंसाफ मिलने का। आई वुड से कि बहुत कमाल का सब्जेक्ट है, एंड आई नो राजकुमार प्रीटी वेल। इनफैक्ट उन्होंने अपनी पहली शो रील मेरे साथ ही बनाई थी, एंड आई नो ही इज़ अ ग्रेट डायरेक्टर एंड ही विल डू जस्टिस टू द फिल्म।
That's fantastic. I mean, the more people that come and support the film, the better. I think UTV is a great production house. मैं भी उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, so I'm really excited to come here and extend the support, especially to a film that they're doing so well with. Very good. बहुत अच्छी रही, बहुत अच्छी। Very good. बहुत अच्छी रही, बहुत अच्छी। इंस्पायरिंग कहानी भी है क्योंकि ये इस लड़ाई में आखिर में सच्चाई की जीत हुई और जस्टिस, परिवार को जस्टिस मिला। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये फिल्म जो है प्रोमोस के देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म होगी, और इसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस और डायरेक्टर का काम बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे।
प्रोमोज इतने अच्छे थे, और दो एक्ट्रेसेस जो लीड में हैं दोनों इतने अच्छे एक्ट्रेसेस हैं कि बहुत इंटरेस्ट है। हम तो बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है इसमें।
फिल्म ऑफ परफॉर्मेंसेस खास करके watching Rani and Vidya together is out of the world. A combination that is awesome. और a true story से जुड़ी हुई फिल्म, so looking forward.
जब विद्या बालन और रानी मुखर्जी जैसे दो एक्टर्स एक ही फ्रेम में मौजूद हों तो जाहिर है कि हम सिर्फ उम्मीद करेंगे कि there'll be dynamite on screen.
No, it didn't happen like the same day. It happened like after a year or so when we became friends.
बहुत भाव खाया इसने।
नहीं, actually मैं actress नहीं हूँ, तो I was really hesitant about acting, so I took my time.
पर मैं कहूँ कि I want to take this opportunity to say that the first scene I did with Myra, I was shocked to hear she's not an actress. एकदम बेबाक, बिंदास, and she's done such a beautiful Jessica. क्या कहें, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के कि लोगों को फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है, कि हम दोनों की जोड़ी लोगों को अच्छी लग रही है।
के लोग आते हैं हमें विश करने, आशीर्वाद देने, तो उनका और यशंकर का यहाँ होना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। और बिकॉज दे आर लाइक legends and they are like our seniors, so it's great that they're here to bless us, and I'm hoping that their blessings work wonders for us.
यही उम्मीद करती हूँ कि मेरे बेटे को मेरा काम अच्छा लगेगा। Raj is a fantastic director. I'm biased because Rani is acting in it. You know, it's great fun to watch great actors on screen.
Fantastic. Coming up, I'm very excited. I'm here to promote the film. So please watch Ye Sali Zindagi as well, please.
I expect the director's work, so I mean, the director's fantastic. Here's Rani, brilliant actress. I've worked with her. She's outstanding. Vidya, brilliant. So I mean, I'm expecting the best. I mean, and I'm sure the promos look very interesting, and I'm really looking forward to this.
सब लोग देखेंगे और बॉम्बे में फर्स्ट टाइम ये स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है. कल हमने दिल्ली में स्क्रीनिंग की थी. So obviously I'm very anxious to know what people are going to think of the film and about my work.
I'm really looking forward for No One Killed Jessica because it's looking like an exciting film.
No One Killed Jessica are tremendous because the director has a background of giving a fantastic film, Amir.
I've been really looking forward to this film. I'm sure it's going to rock, and Rani and Vidya are going to rock all the way through.
I think it's going to be a fantastic film. I think the director made a beautiful film called Amir.
I love the promos, and I think two of my favorites. In fact, Rani is actually, I'm a die-hard Rani fan. So I'm really looking forward to watching the film.
I expect this movie to be really, really good one, and I'm just curious to see the whole thing.
Fantastic. The promos are superb, and I think it is an investigating film for the first time. And the kind of feeling you're getting is, I think, performances-wise, and Rajkumar Gupta has already done that, you know, in Amir. But this is going to be a great leap. From the promos, it looks like that, and it's going to be great, I think so.
Huge and gonna be a fantastic movie. And yeah, looking forward for a great show.
I'm expecting that, I'm a little nervous, a little overwhelmed. Just hoping that people and the audience like the film as much as the film will open for the audience on the 7th. So a little nervous, keeping my fingers crossed.
What did you feel about the movie?
Very good, thank you.
Very good?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Beautiful, fantastic, very gripping film.
The movie is quite a wonderful movie, and it's a true story, so it makes you think. I think true stories have some kind of magic because you read bits and pieces about it. So when you see it all strung together like this, it's quite fascinating to watch.
Especially when you already know what happened in that story. We still felt it. I think that's really something. And Rani was awesome in the film. She was all heart. Fantastic. Really had a good time.
People coming out of the closet, you know, they put them for so long. Very, very good.
It was fantastic, man. It was absolutely fantastic. I think it was, it kept me on the edge, and I think it was hugely entertaining. I was very surprised because I thought it's such a serious and intense topic. I thought that it'll be a very serious film, but it was very entertaining, and hats off, man. Hats off to Rajkumar, and Rani and Vidya were just outstanding.
Wonderful, wonderful movie. Neil is making me say that he was brilliant, but he was brilliant. He was great, and great movie. I just came out, yeah.
Very exciting. और मुझे लगता है कि Rajkumar is one of the best directors of our generation, and I'm speechless actually. इतनी अच्छी लगी फिल्म. Vidya, Rani, the whole team actually ना पूरी टीम की मेहनत, passion, सबकी passion फिल्म में दिखती है.
I thought superb film. I just loved the way the entire mystery has been unraveled in this. All you wanted to know about the Jessica case is out here in the open now for us to see. So I thought it's an outstanding film, very important film, and I just hope everyone sees it.
I get goosebumps when I talk about it. I think it's one of the best works I've ever seen. Phenomenal performances, phenomenal direction, everything is to the T.